Hello and welcome to Inner Artist Hub, the channel to make you practice easier and better. We are going to learn today something very simple yet extremely powerful about sketching journey. Many people will focus on techniques and would say, "Give me the technique and learn," but often forget the most important thing that we use in our sketching, and that is our wrist. So, if your wrist is flexible, can transform your lines, and the way it flows on the paper is amazing. So today, let's unlock the hidden power of your wrist. You may think, why wrist exercises? Why to make it flexible? Because the stiff wrist can make stiff lines, and a flexible wrist, more relaxed wrist, can give you a smoother line, more confidence on the sketches, and it makes your sketch alive. That's the real secret behind the profession look in sketches. So before diving into complex drawing, let's just strengthen our foundation and learn more about these exercises. Let's dive into the exercise.
First, we start with standing lines. So just move your pencil straight up and down, over and over. It looks simple, but this builds control and balance. So how to do it? Grip your pencil just away from the tip, little bit away from the tip, and standing lines. It may not be straight in initial phase, but you just practice it. Without ruler, without any support, straight lines. You can fill all of your page as it is do along exercise. I'm making more lines so you can practice with me right now. This is not about perfection. This is just an exercise, simple yet effective, to make your wrist more and more flexible. Once you are done with the standing lines, let's move forward towards sleeping line. So just simple straight horizontal lines. This is also, you might feel easy repetitive, but we are actually training our wrist to move freely across the page. So hold the pencil and sleeping lines, one after other. Initially, you can draw smaller lines. Once you become pro, you can make longer lines. Over the period of time, you will realize your lines are straight despite they being long. So this comes over the period of time, over the period of practice. Again, it is not about perfection. We are practicing it to make our line, make our wrist flexible. Next exercise is yet another simple exercise. We make spring. So it is a continuous loop, tiny coils. It looks playful, like we did it in childhood, but it sharpens your rhythm, speed, and consistency. So make a small spirals. Right now, I am using 3B. Generally, I use 3B, 4B, or 2B pencil while making the video. So it gives you a clear picture. But you can use HB pencils for this practice, or even 2B pencil is fine. So multiple springs. You can even do opposite direction. So it can be one or random, like just you are holding the pencil and doing a random scribble. This also makes your wrist very much flexible. Bigger springs also you can make. Uh, so like bigger loops with more controlled fashion. This opens up your wrist for larger shadings. Each exercise has its own importance. Now, other way around also. And you can go on and go on till your page is finished. right?
If this was helpful, do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss the notification of new videos. Share it with your sketch buddies who needs such exercises which are simple yet effective. And remember, every great artist started with the lines, but the dedication that turns them into the masterpiece. Until next time, see you in next video.